You schooled me just the other day. It started over the way I used to behave. Words are cheap, a dime a dozen, often meaningless when they talk about loving. I won't say love to you when there's more I can do. Let actions be my words today. I'd occupy my chair in the corner of the room. What you thinking, boy? Remote control my way through the channels on the tube. Hey, call out for beer, eyes fixed straight ahead. What you thinking, boy? Say I love you, baby, with a tone flat and dead. I won't say love to you when there's more I can do. Let actions be my words today. The taillights of your car faded away. You go get a boy. I realized then there was nothing I could say. Words were useless, action was called for.